Okay, so for example, if your device is just stuck on boot loop, like in this case, random boot loops again and again, it keeps restarting, it is not even turning on. This video is for you. We have some information regarding this one. I'll introduce a tool which you can use to basically fix that system boot loop on a device. First step, what you usually do is force restart. Sometimes if it is not turning on, you simply force restart your device by holding down the power key. The process might be different in your case, which device you are using, but in most of the cases, simply hold down the power key for a few seconds. It will force restart your device. And if it is working fine, it's good. And if it is not working well, let's move on to the next step. Secondly, what you can do is you can reset from recovery, which obviously wipes some data on your device, like you can wipe cache and so on, but sometimes it doesn't work. So you wipe format data. Basically, you can reset your data and it might restart for you. Basically, it might work for you. But this obviously deletes some data on your device. So if you have a private data, if you have some important data, let's move on to this main step, which is Droid Kit. So we have some information regarding this one. We have this tool available that works with Mac OS, that works with Windows. That's really good. And we have a lot of features available in this case. If a device is locked, you can simply remove that screen lock, etc. And also some options, some features related to Google's FRP and also quick recovery and so on. So I've installed this tool on my device, which is Mac OS, and we have a lot of options available. System fix, system reinstall, system cleaner, screen unlock options are there, data recovery, and a lot more things. So what we are going to do, because our device is stuck on boot loop, simply choose this system fix option and you will see this kind of screen there. You have all the information available, what this does. For example, it fixes system boot loop, and then click on start. So make sure to detect your, basically make sure to connect the device in this mode. As you can see, my device is now connected, and then you will see this device brand option. So simply select your device brand. Currently it has Samsung, Redmi, Poco and Xiaomi. So if you have any one of these devices, you can choose it straight away. It might work for your other devices also. And after the process is complete, this is how my device is booted. No issues, nothing at all, and no data wipe, etc. So yes, obviously one more thing is, it is just a disclaimer that sometimes if something is not working for you, that does not mean that it will not work for others too. So it's simply something, sometimes depending on which device you're using, you might have different issues, you might have different kind of firmware available. So that is a different thing. Sometimes it reinstall that, but it will let you know that if it needs to reset your device or not. It's completely up to you if you want to install this thing or not. But we have a lot of other options, a lot of other features available regarding this FRP lock, regarding some other options. It also supports Oppo, Vivo, Sony in some cases. For some tools it is supported, for some tools it is not. So yes, this is how you can use this thing. This is Droid Kit, and you can fix your Android phone by using this software. And yes, again, let me tell you, it's available for Mac OS, it's available for Windows. So whichever device you are using, you can download it straight away. We have all the information, required information available in the description. You can check out that link and go on. And by the way, in case you missed this previous video, basically the start of the video, we tried 2 or 3 steps. Firstly, we tried force restarting our device. If it is working well, it's good. Then we also tried using recovery mode. So if this is working well for you, then it's quite good. But if both of the things are not working, then you can install this software to fix your device. That's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. We'll see you in the next one.